Hello and welcome back to SassPulse. Today we're going to be discussing an incredible tool by the name of Pickaxe. Pickaxe is actually on AppSumo as a lifetime deal, and I encourage people, if you want to build an AI and monetize AI bots and chatbots and tools, this is the tool for you. So what does Pickaxe do? Pickaxe allows you to build, deploy, and monetize AI tools without writing a single line of code. On AppSumo, they have 44 reviews and about a 4.5 taco. If we were to come down further, they are an alternative to Bubble and Kajabi. It'll also allow you to build powerful tools. Getting started is super easy. You could simply customize a prompt or share your app idea with the AI tool builder. It'll allow you to access customizable templates for multiple use cases, as well as train your AI with documents, URLs, or YouTube videos for its knowledge base. It's very easy to deploy your app. You could use white label or simply embed this tool into your website. You could customize the dimensions, the designs, modify the content, the layout, the type, and the color, and connect to platforms like Kajabi, WordPress, Squarespace, as well as Webflow. You'll also have the ability to make money with your AI tools. You'll be able to simply create flexible monetization options and reliable transactions processing. You'll be able to create tiers, paywalls, and subscriptions while collecting payments with built-in Stripe integrations. Pickaxe also allows you to monitor all your tools in one place. So if we were to go into this picture, you would see inside your dashboard, you'll be able to see how many users per month, the average uses per user, as well as revenue per month, premium subscriptions, subscribers, as well as guests that are utilizing your tool. Here we are inside the payment tiers. So tier 1 for $39, you'll get all of the features above, which you'll be able to create unlimited pickaxes, embed pickaxes anywhere, customize domain for studios, set embed uses limit, branded chat icons, and view how people use your prompt. And also there is a 10% take rate, which the Pickaxe company will take for utilizing Stripe through their platform. They do currently offer two tiers. The $39 tier gives you 250 monthly credits with 3 studios, and you'll also be able to bring over your OpenAI key if you want to use more AI tokens. Tier 2 for $129 gives you 750 monthly credits with 50 studios, as well as, once again, you get to bring over your OpenAI key. Moving further down, you'll see that the key features, as mentioned before, are the use of OpenAI and Minstrel as their LLM. You'll also be able to embed Pickaxe directly into a website. You'll be able to scrape websites and add knowledge to your document, add documents to your tools to make it smarter, customize your domain, host your studios at a custom domain. You could also set usage limits for your tool, as well as allow your tool to browse the web. You could also train your bots on videos, as mentioned before, through YouTube. You could also generate images now through AI and your tools. You could also create a paywall to monetize your tools and deploy your tool directly to the web without having a website. There's currently also a 3-month roadmap. So within this 3-month roadmap, they're going to release where user data that persists across tools. So for example, when your user fills out information once, your tools will remember and allow it to reuse the information. They'll also have APIs for websites and tools for your tools, as well as it'll also be able to take GPT actions. And what that means is whether that's grabbing data from an external data source or writes entries into a Google Sheet. Soon, Pickaxe will have the able to integrate with certain API endpoints to take those actions. It'll also have better sales pages and better optimization. They already have and they offer basic monetization for your tools. The next rollout of their sales pages, slicker CTAs, and a lot more is coming. So you can see that they're constantly building upon this tool, which just speaks of volume. So if we were to go down further and we were to see whatever questions people ask, you could see that they are on it. Like Mike, the CEO, he is answering every question that is being asked. So you could see that they're super engaged with the AppSumo community. They want to make sure they take the feedback and they build upon their tool. As mentioned, they also have 44 reviews, which once again, highly recommend it. Good, not so good for lead magnets, which once again, once they start getting into those APIs and allowing the GPTs or the AI tools to start taking actions on their own, this is going to skyrocket, I feel. Next, you have another 5-star taco, and then you also have another 5-star taco, and then you have a 3-star taco. So you could see that people are really engaged with this tool. People are really loving this tool. You know, it's currently still in its beta stages. It's still being built out. And once it's fully developed over the next few months, it's going to be a beast. It's already a beast of a tool right now. So without any other, interruptions or delay, let's actually get into the tool. So here we are on the Pickaxe homepage. Really quickly, before we get into the tool, just want to kind of take a look at their homepage to see if there's anything addition that wasn't on the AppSumo website. So here you go. You'll say AI Studios, earning money today. You have coaching, consultant, wellness, education, and other. So these are some great fields that could utilize this tool to sell their knowledge or to sell their understanding within that field. And if we were to go further, train your AI on your own expertise, AI designed by you, monetize your expertise, see how users interact with your AI. So pretty much everything that was on the AppSumo page. So, and then down here you have a few user reviews down here as well. But that's pretty much the homepage right there. So let's get into the dashboard and we could start creating a tool together actually. So here's their dashboard. So as soon as you enter their dashboard, you're going to be met with all the tools or the AI tools that you've created. So here I've created one. It's called Pin Pulse. It's for my Pinterest account. It'll allow me to create all my titles, my descriptions, my hashtags. So it's a real, assistant in that sense. But let's go ahead. Let's go through the top. This is where you're going to start to create your tool. You have the pricing model here. You have the blog here. You have the community. And then all the way to the right, you do have if you need to search any of the tools, you can see some of the other tools that are part of the marketplace here, which is fantastic. And then if we were to come here, you do have your dashboard. This is, your personal profile. This is your credits, as well as your about, and then the contact and the sign out. So let's go into create real quick and let's create a tool. So you have 3 main options and then a option to monetize your tool further down. But the 3 main tools to build out your AI tool would be the form. Form allows you to prompt powerful widgets with multiple user input. And then you also have Chatbot. Chatbot engages users in a conversational experience. And then you have your automatic AI builder, which we're going to use today. So this is a great tool. Say if you're not exactly sure how to prompt the tool you want to create, the AI builder that comes within Pickaxe will assist you in that process. So this is a fantastic feature that they have here, and let's go ahead and let's start using it. So the first question you are asked is, are you ready to get started? So yes, I am. And then next you'll be asked, what type of tool do you want to build today? So I want to create a Instagram post. I want to create a Instagram post for e-commerce business, for e-commerce shops. This tool will post the, let's say, product image provided by the user, and title, and let's go with the product title and description. Okay, there you go. So the third question is, now for the second. Oh, I thought that was the third question. Okay, so I guess this is the third question. Now for the second question, what will people do with this tool? They will use this tool to create engaging Instagram post for their e-commerce business. Excellent. What is your unique take on it, and how do you want to stand out? So as mentioned before, I want this tool to have the ability to create Insta posts from simply product image and product image, title, and description. So if you have an e-commerce store, these are the three main aspects of your business. You have your product, then you have your product title, and then you have your description. So I think this would be a great tool for anyone who wants to utilize Instagram to promote their business. Okay, so thank you. Based on your blueprint or based on your input, this will be the prompt I'd create for your tool. So, persona. You are an AI tool designed to create engaging posts for e-commerce business. You take product image titles and descriptions as input and transform them into appealing and compelling Instagram posts. Rule. Always keep the message relevant to the product. Try to highlight the unique feature of the product in the post. Use creative and catchy language to engage audience. Keep the message concise and attractive. Always end the post with a call to action. Approach to post creation. Use the product image as the focus of the post. Incorporate the product title and description in a creative way to describe and showcase the product. Use the tactics such as scarcity, limited stock, urgency, limited time offer, or exclusivity to promote the audience to take action. Do you like this tool? For now, let's just type yes. Okay, it's going to come back. And now it's going to give us a circle of that. Let's go. So it's building out the tool right now. So once we see the circle, that's when we know it's ready. Okay. There you go. So now there you go. And now we're going to be able to go into the tool and see exactly how the tool works and what's going on. So few things. If you used ChatGPT to build a GPT in the past, then you might be a little familiar with this left screen. This is where you give it your persona, your roles, your approach, all your information regarding the actual AI tool. Down here, you have the option to pick from Minstrel, Minstrel Large, Opus, Opus Sonnet, ChatGPT Mini, ChatGPT 4.0, 4 Turbo. So you get to see you do have a few options here. For all intents purposes, let's just try Opus Sonnet 3.5. And then let's just say if you have an intro message. Let's just say, for example, I want to put, let's just say, hey there. Can you please provide me with your product image, title, and the description so I can create the most engaging Instagram post for you. Okay, so there you go. So now this is going to be the message. As soon as they come in, I see that I messed up here somewhere because it is over there. Amp. Okay, so let me take away this. And let me just go like, let me just change that real quick. Let me add that. Okay, so that looks a lot better. For some reason, the and gave it a different, just looked a little weird with the and. So if we were to come down further here, up above your intro message, here you go. You could upload your knowledge base by utilizing any files, any written work you might have. You can also upload from the web over here. So say if you want to post your URL, you could post about your brand over here. So you could do that. And then, of course, this is your intro message. And then this is the icebreaker. Let's just generate an icebreaker and see what it looks like. Here we go. How can I use this product how can I use this product's unique features to create a catchy Instagram post? Can you craft an Instagram post for this product that emphasizes its limit stock and exclusive benefits? What's a compelling call to action for this product that creates an urgency and motivates followers to? So I don't really need any of those, so I'm going to cancel those out right now. But you get to see that those icebreaker questions, they are there. And then here are your AI tools capabilities. So you have your own, you could have them upload their own document to the knowledge base. You could allow them to surf the web and gain information that way, as well as image generation. So you could do that as well. And then I want to see if there is anything up here. Okay, yeah. So that's fine. I think that's about it that we need. So let's go in here, and I want to change the name to Insta Post Product. Instapost product. So this tool takes product images, title, description as inputs and creates engaging Instagram posts for e-commerce businesses. It uses creative tactics and languages to promote the audience to take action. Fantastic. Let me see if there's anything else here. Let me actually see if I change this. Will it give me a different option? And then you also have advanced options here. So if you want to train your AI tool on the max output length, so if it's like 1,000, any minimum, you could put that. Memory buffer. You have prompt injection. So over here is set a consistent instruction that is to teach each. Okay, this. Okay, so pretty much this will allow your bots to remember certain instructions that are important for its functionality. So that's that. You have, and if you've been inside OpenAI's GPT, but there are other version of the GPT where you could create like your prompts and everything. I think it's the playground. You'll remember temperature, frequency, and presence as well. Sorry about that. And then this will change how on point it is, how imaginative it is. So things like that. I personally don't like to touch things like this personally, just because it could throw off your AI a lot. So I'm going to keep it the way it is. And then you have any word biases here as well. You could make words or phrases more or less likely to appear by entering them inside these sections over here. So try to use these words, try to avoid these words, stop the output after this word appears. And then you also have certain other things for your knowledge base. So that's fantastic. That's cool. Let's save this and let's actually get over to the next step. Here we are inside the next step. And then over here, this is where you're going to start to create your design your chatbot. So let's just say if you don't like this image, you could change your image here. And then you could also upload an image right from your desktop. This pickaxe right here is the pickaxe that you're going to see right here by your chatbot. But you could take that away. You could use a different, or you could simply add your own little image there to represent your AI tool. Who can use this chatbot? Currently, I'm going to have it on private, but you could have it unlisted and you could have it public as well. So that's that. Now let's publish this chatbot so we could use it really quickly. Okay, so once you go to publish, you do have a few more options. You have general settings, you have Pickaxe standard, and you have custom. So if you want to add your API key, you could add your API key. You have privacy settings, which we put on private. Right now, if you want to put public, you could also do public. Save private domain. So if you want to add your domain, you could add your domain and save it. You have prompt runs per user. You have infinite. So let's just say you want to limit it to, say, 50 prompts. You could do that, but I'm going to turn that all the way to the max for now. You have clonable. So that's about that. And then let's go in and let's deploy this. So this is where once you hit deploy, you'll be able to turn this into your studio. And this is where you're going to be able to either be able to embed this directly onto your website. So let's just say if you're creating a bot based on your business or on your funnel, this would be a great way to just create it onto your funnel, and this way people could interact with it based on only your knowledge base, which is fantastic. Or you could come in here and you could create a studio, and then this studio, what it'll do is then you'll be able to monetize it. So let's click on that. Okay, perfect. So now you see we have two over here. We have our Insta post. I want to go back into it actually before we begin to monetize. Let's create a new chat. This is what it's going to look like. Let's see if I could add. Let me see if I could grab something real quick off of my website and post that real quickly. Okay, so let's just say. Let's just say you want to, it's the Yogi Pimp t-shirt. This t-shirt is perfect. You know what I don't see? I don't see a way to include the. I don't see a way to include the image here. Is it this way? No, I don't see that. So let's go back into it. Let's edit it. Let me see really quickly. Oh. So I did miss that part. It says allow users to upload their own documents and knowledge base. So here we go. And you see that gave it that little paperclip right there. So now let's go back. Let's publish it again. And here we are. So let's do that. There we go. So we see the paperclip. Let's just go in real quick to the desktop. I want to utilize this t-shirt. There you go. That's the t-shirt. T-shirt title is Ancient Yogis. Okay. And then the description is going to be the coolest ancient yogi in pimp attire. Let's just say that for right now. Space that as well. So there you go. So here we go. I uploaded the image. The image is right there. And there you go. Now it's going to create a Instagram post for us. So introducing Ancient Yogi Tees. Elevate your style with the coolest ancient yogi in pimp attire. This unique t-shirt combines timeless wisdom with a fresh modern twist. Stand out with style and grace. Limited stock available. Get yours now. And there you go. So now you can simply just take this and then take your t-shirt image and just post it directly onto your Instagram, which is fantastic. I really like that. I mean, I'll definitely be working on this tool to get it a little bit more entailed with fashion and a few more call to actions. But I do like the it does give you the hashtags. It does bolden the main objective of what you need this product to do and what you want it to do on Instagram. But I like it. So this is pretty cool. So now let's deploy it. So imagine you go to your studios. Here we are within the studio. So let's go. You have your Insta post. So now you could edit it, you could embed it, you could manage it, or you could delete it. Let's manage it. So here we are back to managing. And then let's see, let's preview it. So here we are. And so here we go. This is your tool right here. You can't get any better than that. Let me go back. So you could clone it. I know I went over this really quickly, but I just really want to see something really quick. And now if we were to go back to the dashboard or go back to create, and let's just say we want to monetize tool. Okay, so this is what I was looking for. So when you go to create and you go to monetize your tool, now what you could do is all the tools that you've created, for instance, take this, take that. Now what I could do is I could combine these two tools and I could monetize that as a bundle package, or I could just simply take the individual tool as well. I'm personally working on a bundle for e-com store owners, so I'm going to create a few tools that's going to help e-com store owners with their brand building, with their social media, with their posting, and a few other things. So, this is going to be a great way to do that. But let's click next. Okay, give your studio a name. Let's just say, for example, let's just name it Instagram for e-commerce. Let's just name that, and then let's just generate that. This is going to be based on the tool that we clicked over here. Actually, you know what? Let's just do one for now so it's pretty on point. And then let's just, which one did we do? Instapost. Okay, so let's just regenerate that. There you go, an AI-powered platform that enhances e-commerce visibility on Instagram by providing smart hashtag recommendation, engaging the right audience, and offering insightful analytics on product and performance. So that's fantastic. So now let's move on to the next stage. What kind of studio? So this is where it's going to ask, do you want to invite only or do you want it public? Let's just say public for now. How do you want to charge for it? You could do a one-time payment or you could do subscription. Let's do subscription. And here we are. You get guest usage. You get uses, five uses a month, and all pickaxes. So for example, it's only this product right here. You could change this limit to go more, to go less, so you could get really granular with this. Let's just say 10. And then you can see that it changed over there. Subscription tiers. So here we go. You have your free tier. You have your usage limits. And then you have your pickaxe offered, which would be just the Instagram post creation. So let's go and let me see right here. So so you have your subscription. So let's add another subscription. This would be, let's go free with email sign up. Okay, let's go tier 2. Tier 2 is going to be your gold, or let's do your silver plan. And then now let's change. I want to change this back to 10. I don't know why it went to 11, but it should have gone to 10. There you go. Okay, so it's 11. Uses it's allowing 11, and then price over here, as you could see, this one is free. This one down here is $10 a month. Let's make that $5 a month, and then let's do the gold. There you go. And then let's do this for $10 a month. So this, the usage, let's just say they get 11 on the free. Let's just say they get 100 usage. Or let's say they get 50 on that. And then over here, let's just say they get 200. So there you go. So now you could see how you could monetize this tool simply by offering a lead gen purposes over here by giving it a free. With signing up with an email, you get 11 uses a month. This one with the silver plan for $5 a month, you get 50 uses a month, as well as then you have your gold plan. For $10, you get 200 uses a month. And then you could continue on adding another tier if you'd like, but let's just hit next. Okay, so here we go. These are your designs if you want. Let's do, I like this color. It goes with my brand as well. So let me see. Let's create the studio. So it says to enable monetization on your studio, connect a Stripe account. I haven't done that yet, but eventually I will do that. So this is your essentially your page where you'll be able to promote this specific product on. So welcome to Instagram for e-commerce, an AI-powered platform that enhances e-commerce visibility on Instagram by providing smart hashtag recommendation, engaging the right audience, and offering insightful analytics on product performance. And then you have over here, you have Instagram for e-commerce. So there you go. I believe you could take that out if I'm not mistaken, but let's just say over here, let's just go into page. So there you go. You could edit your page. You could edit your product. Here's your landing page, which you could edit. The account page you could edit. So here we go. This is your account page right here, where you'll be able to see your months and you'll be able to see your information right over here. This is your actual product where people could utilize it right here. And then this is your home page. So this is actually amazing. I really like this tool a lot. Let me see what else you could do here. You also have the option for pop-up, which is incredible. So you could enter your email and password and you could log in that way or log in through Google. Let's see what else. You have your sign up, which you could utilize sign up. You also have access denied. You could upgrade after, say, giving them only a certain amount of usage. They have to upgrade, which is fantastic. Request access. So if, say, somebody wants to join on a free plan, you could give them the email address and message to owner, and then you'll be able to go in and give them that access. Reset password, upgrade message. So this is for guests, member, new tier, and new tier 2, which we don't really need that. So you could see, you could get really granular in here. Once again, you could upload another picture if you want over here, and that would be the picture for the top of your page over here as well. So you could see that this tool could be very, very, just a profitable tool as everything is turning into AI. Let me just cancel this. Let me edit page. Let's go back. Okay, let's go back this way. Okay, so here we are. So you could see that this tool is an amazing tool that's going to allow you to create your own knowledge-based tools, your tools that, you're not sure how to create, but you could utilize the AI for, and you could also monetize. So imagine taking information that you've been building on for years, and utilizing that information you have in creating a chatbot or an interactive chatbot that allows, say, if you're creating a course that allows your course, the people that are taking your course to fully get answers immediately and not have to constantly, email support for those answers. This would be a wonderful tool. It allows you to do that as well as monetize it. That's why I say Pickaxe is literally the #1 tool this summer, because I'm going to really use this tool a lot, especially when it comes from my AI e-commerce course. These tools are going to be the foundation of that course that are going to help anyone that's in that course to learn about their business, how to promote their business, and then how to utilize social media for their business. So I'm all in on this tool. I might actually pick up another tier 2 as well, just for any other businesses that I have coming down the pipeline. If you enjoyed this video, I encourage you to like and subscribe, as well as if you have any questions, comment below. And if you definitely want to pick up this tool and utilize it within your business, I encourage you to utilize the link down below, and it'll take you right to the tool. So once again, this has been another great review with SassPulse. See you on our next review. Bye.